Sol, how can I assist you?
Hey Angel, how can I create the best version of me, and can you give me a roadmap to success?
Hey Sol, creating the best version of yourself is an exciting journey. Here's a simple roadmap to success. 1. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you. Break it down into short-term and long-term goals. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and learn from failures. Stay curious and open to new experiences. 3. Build healthy habits. Focus on physical and mental well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices can boost your energy and focus. 4. Continuous learning. Invest time in learning new skills or enhancing existing ones. Books, online courses, or workshops can be great resources. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who inspire and support you. Networking can open doors to new opportunities. 6. Stay organized. Use tools like planners or apps to keep track of your goals and progress. 7. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your journey. Reflect on what's working and what needs change. What specific area are you looking to improve first? Let's tackle it together.
No, that's very perfect. I like staying organized and also building healthy